Anu always used to think, I will be happy when everything becomes perfect. A better job, more money, more appreciation. Every day she focused on what was missing. If only this was better, if only people understood me. Even on good days, her mind searched for something wrong. And slowly, life started feeling heavy. Not because she didn't have enough, but because she never felt it was enough. One evening, she met her old teacher. The teacher listened quietly and smiled. Then she said something simple. Every night, write down three things you are grateful for. Anu almost laughed. How can writing three things change my life? But that night she tried. It's day one. She started writing. I am grateful for my food, my home, my friend who called me. It felt small, almost meaningless for her. And it's day three. She noticed something new. The sunset looked calmer, her tea felt warmer. A smile from a stranger stayed longer in her heart. And day 7, her list became deeper. I am grateful I didn't give up today, she wrote. I am grateful for my strength even when I felt weak. And it's day 15. Something shifted in her. Problems didn't disappear, but her perspective changed. She was no longer living in the lack, she was living in awareness. One day, she paused and realized the life I am complaining about is the same life I once prayed for. Message of the story is gratitude doesn't change your situation overnight. It changes how you see your situation, and when your perspective changes, everything begins to feel different. Here in the story, Anu didn't suddenly get a perfect life, but she built a peaceful mind. All it took was 5 minutes a day and 3 simple sentences and a decision to see what was already there. Because happiness is not always about getting more, sometimes it's about noticing what you already have. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Purpose of Life. Bye.